Hey guys, and I'm back at it with another video. Today's gonna be a really simple, easy video tutorial, let's say, how I put on my lashes. Okay, you're not gonna need very many things. You're gonna need very bare minimum. It's so super easy. And let's start off with telling you what you're gonna need. So if you're like me, sometimes I have my acrylics. Right now I'm going through acrylic therapy, so I'm giving myself a little break. You can use the eyelash putter-oners. That's what I call them, the eyelash helpers. Okay, so I have a small one to help me in my corners, and then I have a bigger one to actually place the whole lash on there. I only do this when I have acrylics on. That's the only time I use these. One is by Ardell, one is by Kiss. When I'm going through my drought, I actually will just use my regular tweezers because it's just easier that way. It's a lot quicker, it's a lot faster, a lot simpler. Then you're gonna need some eyelash glue. I was one that used to use weave glue until I realized that my eyes started getting really dried out, and I couldn't understand why, because I'm usually like a watery eye person. And yeah, once I stopped using weave glue, my eyes got back watery, so it was definitely the weave glue. Okay, so I'm trying out different like lash glues, trying to see what works for me. I'm thinking I had some waterproof one, but I ran out. I think that's the one. But right now we're gonna use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Alloy in black. I do not use clear, I do not use white, I use black because my eyeliner is black. So why would I use any other color? Like, unless I would put my lashes on before I did my eyeliner, but I mean, I don't do that. I've never done that. I mean, if you do that, that's you, but I don't do that. I personally don't do that. I don't see the point in that, so I don't do that. Long story short, I don't do that. I do my actual like makeup. All my eye makeup be done before I put my lashes on. That's just what I've been doing. And of course, last but not least, come on now, you're gonna need some lashes. So I'm trying out these Salon Perfect Gold Glam. I do not have specific lashes that I use. I'm not one that be like, no, I just use wispies. No, I like to try out all different types of things. This is this, I think it's just called 615. I got these from Walmart. I think it was like $7-8 for this. Kind of pricey, but you did get like what, 1 2 3 4 5 pairs. I did have some wispy ones that I actually really liked. I don't know where my packaging is, but I did have some wispy ones. But if I use wispies, I have to stack them because I'm into like fuller looking lashes. So I'm an eyelash stacker. That's just me. That's just me. This is what the lashes look like. They're cute. They're cute. They have a lot of space in the middle, which I think is different, but they're cute. So, of course, you want to get your glue going, okay? Literally. So you're just gonna take your lash like that, and then you're just going to kind of roll that over. I don't want too much to get on one side. You want to make sure that you're putting a little extra on your corners, just so they don't be lifting. I see that a lot, and I just be like, I know when you blink, you feel that. So, like, come on, sis. All right, and then we're just going to do it to the other one because I don't glue and wait for one and then glue and wait for the, no, we do it all at one time because we're going to do this all in one swipe. This is going to be a really quick and easy. Beginner friendly. I'm not a beginner at lashes. I mean, lashes was literally my first. Is like a makeup product, or is it like cosmetic surgery? But lashes were my first makeup product. I remember wearing 747Ls from the beauty salon, okay? So lashes were my first love. I fell in love with lashes. I used to wear them long. I used to wear them short. I used to wear them medium. I used to have them crazy full. I used to have them real thin and natural. Like, lashes were my first love, okay? When I discovered mascara, I discovered lashes, and I was rocking lashes. You know, I was wearing mascara before my mama knew I was wearing makeup, okay? But that's not the point here. The point is my love for lashes is real, okay? So I want to build a collection of lashes of 500, but I keep using them, so I don't know. Since I moved to New Mexico from LA, finding lashes is not an easy thing, okay? And they cost so much versus like at the beauty supply. You could try all types, red, cherry, and all types of lashes for $1. Out here they be like $2.99. I'm just like, I'm never gonna get my lash collection on fleek. Anyways, so you want to kind of let this get tacky. Place it on your tweezers like so. You see, I don't know if it's gonna focus. I don't think it's gonna focus, but place it on your tweezers like so. I'm gonna try to get a little close. Get your mirror, and you want to place this as close to your lash line as you possibly can, right on top of your real lashes. That's all you're gonna do. You're gonna kind of pull this to the corner. You're gonna kind of use the bottom to kind of push your lashes up against the falsie. And literally, that's it, sis. That's it, sis. That's literally all you have to do. That's it, sis. We're done. Except we have another one to put on. So I'm gonna show you this one. We're gonna get real cozy. And you're gonna place this right on top of your lash line. Okay, pull that to the corner. For some reason with this side, I always use my hands. Excuse my hands, they ashy. I was cleaning today. Today's Sunday. I was cleaning today. So we want to make sure that when you take the bottom of your tweezers and kind of push your lashes up against the falsies, and honey, we're done. We're done. Your lashes are on. You're fleeking. You're ready to slay the day. Like your eyes are done. Your makeup's done. You're ready to slay the day. Like you're ready to slay the day. You pose for the camera, honey. No, I'm just kidding. But it's so quick. It's so easy. A lot of people ask me, "Oh, how do you put your lashes on? How do you do it?" I don't know how to do it. This video gonna be 5 minutes. That's how short. That's how easy it is to do your lashes. It's so easy. I used to have a lot of problems putting on my lashes. I used to get the lifted and all that crazy stuff. I mean, practice makes perfect. I've been putting on my lashes for years now. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Go slay out there with your lashes today, sis. Go slay out there with your lashes today, sis. Because now you can watch this video and walk away and know how to put on lashes. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Get your girl out there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.